And yes, allow downloader to access media and files on our device. Allow, click OK. And under the URL or search term, we're going to put in a shortcut. We're going to type in 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5, which will link us up to the Led by the Unknown website where we can find this awesome application. Once the 5-second redirect is over, use your 3-line button on your remote. Now we can add this page to our favorites and we can push save. Now we no longer have to use the shortcut. You can just use the favorites on the right hand side there, or on the left side of the menu. Once everything loads in, now guys, there's one thing I could ask is if you could just share this with your friends and family. And of course everybody wants applications like this on their Android device or on their Amazon Fire Stick. Let's we can head down a little bit, and we have there's movies and TV shows, apps, and live TV, which is what we had. So this top one here under live TV, we can click on it and it takes us to the downloads page for the application. We can head back down we can head down now to the area to download the application. So click on the link. Click install. Once it's installed, just click done. Then we delete the APK file as we no longer need it. And we go back to the home screen. When you're at the home screen, head over to the 3 squares plus sign. Get to your apps and games. Find the app, and of course highlight it and move it to the front. There you go, folks. Enjoy. Peace.